Today we talk about how can you get max on your Mimo app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Mimo app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you go down here, you click here on max down here, you just click here on max. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, just click here on try max for free. We just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. And here you select price, then you click here on search free trial here. Then it's going to show for you list like this. Add here your credit or debit card, then it's going to add with you. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.